The best bag Louis Vuitton ever made? This is an easy one. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. I was tagged in this tag video. This tag was created by LV Luxe DH, and I was tagged by two people that I know of, Winnie B LV and Styled by Gwenny. Both fabulous YouTubers, and if you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend. They are both quite entertaining and funny, and they both have quite nice and eclectic collections. So I will link their channels and LV Luxe DH's channel below so that you can check all of them out and go see what they think is the best bag Louis Vuitton ever made. Just keep in mind that they're all wrong, because I have the right answer. The best bag that Louis Vuitton ever made, so easy, so obvious, is the Noe. Why, you ask? Because it was designed to hold champagne. Now, I don't have a microphone, so I'm going to use these puppy dog headphones here to do a mic drop. I could end the video right there, but I won't. I'll give you a little more. We have never discussed the full history. Well, it wouldn't be the full history, I guess, but the full known history that I could find on the internet of the Noe bag, so let's do that. The Noe was created in 1932. As far as we know, it is the very first bucket bag ever created. It was not originally designed as a handbag like we use it today. It was originally designed as a piece of luggage to carry 5 bottles of champagne. Now, the reason it was designed for that is because it was requested. And this is where the internet information gets a little fuzzy, because I looked at a few different sources and there was different information on each of them. Some said that I think it was the grandson of Louis Vuitton is the person who created this bag, and some said that he created it for himself to carry wine and champagne to parties. Other people said that there was a champagne maker who approached him and wanted the bag designed to carry champagne. And then another source said that that champagne maker wanted it created as gifts to his customers to carry their champagne. So you pick which one you like, and that'll be the history you tell other people. Also, the name Noe is said to come from Noah in the Bible. That's the guy, you may remember, who built the big ark and got 2 of each animal, 1 male, 1 female, from the entire planet Earth, but he forgot the unicorns and the dinosaurs. And I got 2 different stories about Noah here. One is that he became a winemaker after the ark situation, or that he was like an aficionado of wine. Another source said he was the first winemaker, like he's supposed to be the one who invented wine. Not sure about that. So again, you pick your own history. I do want to demonstrate the champagne holding capacity of this incredible bag. And to do that, I need not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 bottles of champagne. These are actually a sparkling wine, but they'll do. This bag has champagne fell. It's okay. It's all right. This bag has a large, very structured, very reinforced base. If you want a bag that will hold a lot of weight, the Noe will do it. And into that base, you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of wine, 1 in each corner. Well, with the size of my bottles, I could actually fit 6 standing up in the base. But I'm going to show you how it was originally designed. I'm not going to pick it up because it'll be very heavy, but you can see that there are 4 bottles here, and I could fit another one here. Here's the 5th. But it was designed so this 5th bottle would fit upside down in the center here. You would close it with the drawstring, and it would look like that. And because this bag was designed to carry that much weight, you'd be able to pick it up from the handles, which I'm not going to do because I'm not Hercules. But this, my friends, is why the Noe is the best bag Louis Vuitton ever made. Mine is quite vintage bag. It's not the original model, but it is very vintage. And in case you don't know this and you're wondering about all the cracking and the vachetta, the damage to this bag, I did a lot of that because I cleaned it improperly, but I still Love it. It's my damage. And I don't want to have the vachetta replaced. I like the vintage look, even though it's all cracked. It's still a fantastic bag. This is the original size. It's the GM size. It's kind of similar in size and capacity to the Neverfull, but you have this one vachetta strap here. It comes in monogram, it comes in damier azur, and it comes in epi. I have an epi one that I'll show you in another size in a second. And I have made 2 alterations to this bag. I added this slide, it doesn't come with that, and I also added these snap hooks here that I got from a local hardware store. I can't link them for you because I got them from a hardware store, and getting them online is a little tricky. You have to measure here to see if your strap will fit and figure out the color you want and all that. But this is the GM size. There's also the petite size. This is a petite noe and epi leather. It's also vintage, and I've added a few things to that. I'll show you in a second. But let me tell you about all the different sizes and materials that these come in. So you saw the GM, the petite. There's also a BB size and a nano size. And then there's the Neo Noe, and the Neo Noe was actually designed by Marc Jacobs. It was one of the last things that he did before he left Louis Vuitton. There are also quite a few other limited edition variations on the Noe. I've seen some of those pop up lately, and I can link some of those below. I'll also link some of the epis below and some of the canvas ones below. Now, if you're looking for a canvas in the petite size, there are a few different versions to be aware of. One is going to have this same vachetta lip around the bottom that the GM size has, and then another one is canvas all the way down, and then it's just the base that's vachetta. The canvas one is much more malleable and squishy. The epi one is definitely more sturdy and structured. Let me show you what I've added to this. I added the snap hooks again. This is a charm I've added. I've added this slide, and I've also added this handle. And any of those additions that I can find, I will link below for you. Now, I have heard rumors from some of you subscribers that this petite size will also hold 5 bottles of champagne. So let's test that theory. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that. It does it. It holds all 5. Very nice. Best bag Louis Vuitton ever made. Right here. For comparison, here's the GM next to the petite. And then I always find it helpful to compare the bases. That really gives you an idea of the sizes and the size differences. So that is my response, the only acceptable response, clearly, to the question of what was Louis Vuitton's best bag ever made. I mean, it's obvious. So thank you to LV Luxe Delight for creating this tag. Thank you to Winnie and Gwenny for tagging me. I know that a ton of people have already done this by the time my video is going to go up, so I'm not sure who to tag, so I will just say if you have a channel or want to start a channel and you would like to do this tag, then please do it and consider yourself tagged by me. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Now go drink some champagne in honor of the Noe. Bye.